Just a minute. Sure. Can you see my screen? Okay. Good morning, sir. Uh, my name is Sumon. I am from Bangladesh, and I am pleased to present my manuscript in this prestigious IEEE conference. So, our manuscript title is Sentiment Classification of Feminism-related Bangla Comments using Bangla Word and MLP classifier, and this research has been conducted by four authors, two authors from Southeast University in Bangladesh, and one author from University of Maryland in USA, and one author from University of Hiroshima in Japan. So here is the research outline that I will present in this conference. So firstly, research background and literature review, research gap, aim and objective, methodology, result analysis and discussion, conclusion, and last and not least, references. So according to the World Economic Forum in 2025, gender inequality is a major problem in Bangladesh, which is ranked 24 among 148 countries. So that is a major concern for gender inequality in Bangladesh. To address this issue, we have developed a model that use Bangla Bird. Bangla Bird is a pre-trained model. It's nice for sentiment analysis, especially in Bengali language, and we implement multi-layer perception model, that is a deep learning model for categorize public opinion in Bangladesh regarding feminism. And for this research, we have used a private dataset, and all the comments were collected from social media and in person. So here is the some existing literature. It shows that several research are conducted for sentiment analysis, and their accuracy were near to 86%. Although some researchers conducted for sentiment analysis, but there is still gap remains, such as lack of domain specific Bangla dataset on feminism context, and rarely researchers use Bangla Bard. So our aim and objective is introduce a strong sentiment classification model in the Bengali language and highlight the public opinion regarding feminism in Bangladesh, and also collect a private dataset from the real life context and social media platform. It's the methodology part of our research. Firstly, we started from the dataset collection. After that, it goes pre-processing step and feature engineering, class imbalance and handling, model training, and it ends with prediction and evaluation of the models. For the dataset collection, we collected on 999 public comments from social media platform and end-to-end person conversation. Online data was manually gathered from public comment on social media platform, for example, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and in-person data collected from informal conversation setting such as tea stall and small local restaurant. So these are the dataset sample. Firstly, we stored all the data in Google Sheet. After that, it converted in SVF format for the model training. In the total data, which is 999, 555 is negative and 227 positive and 172 is natural comment. So for the dataset annotation, uh, we um, we took help from native speaker in Bangladesh. For example, three professors, Dr. Masood and Hamida Begum and Taha Yasin. They are working as a associate professor in Southeast University in Bangladesh, and they are very good native speaker, and they helped us for the labeling, which comment is negative and which one is positive and which one is natural. So data preprocessing step is a crucial for a deep learning model and sentiment analysis. For the preprocessing step, we use Python libraries for emoji remove and remove all the short characters, punctuation mark and numerical digit. So this the original data, and after clean, this is the data that is only take comment and public opinion, not any emoji or regular expression. This is our model structure for Bangla. Bangla is a good pattern model that is very well for sentiment analysis and natural language processing in Bangla language. So we use synthetic majority observe oversampling technique, edit nearest neighbor for class imbalance and handling. After that, we implement multi-layer perception classifier. It's a deep learning model. So this is the hidden layer. We use 32 neurons, and for preventing overfitting, we use alpha value 0.2, and training and testing, we use 80% of dataset training and 20% dataset for testing. And we set the random state 42 that ensures the reproducibility of result, and our iteration was 1000 epochs. This is the model performance. Overall predicted accuracy was 97%, which is higher than the previous research, and the F1 average score was 96%. This is the confusion matrix of our model. So it shows that a robust output for sentiment analysis, especially public opinion, focus on feminism. So here is the comparison table that we compare with several existing researches, and it shows that our research achieved 97% accuracy, where rest of the studies were lower than our accuracy. So it means that our research is very robust and novel contribution. So in the conclusion, this study developed a robust automated system to analyze and classify public opinion on feminism in Bangladesh. A major contribution of this work is collect a private dataset which consists of 999 comments that were collected from social media platform and in-person conversation setting. So for this study, we used a P10 model, which is Bangla Bird, and a deep learning model, which is multi-layer perception classifier, and we achieved 97% accuracy. So in our opinion, this is the first study that collected a private data set and also It highlights the importance to address the feminism um, issue in Bangladesh. So in the future, we want to expand our data set and integrate more deep learning model for more investigation. Here is the some references. Thank you for your time and consideration. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Okay, we collected 999 dataset. That is, this is the dataset. Sir, actually, we tried to collect dataset from the in person. So not only from the social media platform. If we tried to collect from the social media, it was easy. So when we communicate with local people, especially illiterate people, and try to understand their opinion regarding the feminism, so it took time. Okay, thank you, sir.